In the first half of 2022 alone, a leading cybersecurity firm blocked 63 billion threats, over 50% more than the last year, highlighting the persistent threat posed by ransom-as-a-service groups. With Halloween just around the corner, we're taking a look at the 4 biggest and scariest cybersecurity stories of 2022. Lapsus. A group known as Lapsus began 2022 with a string of high-profile targets including Nvidia, Ubisoft, Samsung, and Microsoft. In each case, data was stolen and leaked online. For instance, 71,000 Nvidia employee accounts were exposed. Cryptocurrency. The market for companies or tools to store, convert, and otherwise manage crypto assets is booming, which hackers have been quick to exploit. At the end of March, North Korea's Lazarus Group stole $540 million Ethereum and USDC stablecoin from the popular Ronin blockchain bridge. NHS hack. Advanced, a managed service provider to the NHS, suffered a ransomware attack in August. It caused a major outage to NHS emergency services across the country, including software used for patient check-ins, medical notes, and the NHS 111 service, leading Advanced to call both Microsoft and Mandiant to help with triage and investigations. Optus hack. Australian telecommunications giant Optus revealed that 10 million customers had personal data stolen in a cyber attack in September. A ransom of $1 million in cryptocurrency was demanded from Optus, whilst 10,000 customer records were leaked online. In an odd turn of events, these datasets were deleted just hours later, with someone claiming to be the hacker saying it was a mistake. It's clear that businesses should take their cybersecurity defenses seriously, and with the threat of security and data breaches ever persistent, will you be rethinking your cybersecurity strategy this Halloween? For more information on cybersecurity and cybersecurity awareness, please visit hyve.com/insights.